Hello there, everyone. It's me, Helene, popping in for just a few minutes to pick the winner for my Happy Spring 2020 giveaway. Just as a quick reminder to let you know what's included, a total of 872 yards in what was formerly named Sassy Sock by Sundance, which is Hirschner's in-house brand, and now it's called Willow Dappled. It's all the same, 65% superwash wool, 27% nylon, and 8% polyester. You get 4 balls, 1.75 ounce / 50 grams, 218 yards each. And as you can see, I did include an extra goodie, a G 4mm hook, which the recommended size is a little smaller, but because the yarn lofts up quite a bit, I think the G is a good range, and it's a nice average size for other projects too. And thanks again for playing along. I enjoy your comments as always and find it really interesting and fun where everyone is from, even learning the different places you've lived and how you landed where you are. Please, everyone, take care, stay well and safe, and I pray we will all get through this time okay. All right, so let's get on to picking the winner. And here we go. I have already entered my video's link into that white search bar. And since everyone answered my question, which is great, thank you, I don't need to enter a specific filtering text either. Okay, so let's get the comments. And now clicking the start button, let her roll. Tooting of the horn, and the winner is Jonda Parnell. Congratulations, Jonda. Get a hold of me, please. My email is in the description section below so I can get your goodies out to you. And I will give a week from today. And if I don't hear from you, then I will pick another person. So hopefully you are watching. All right. Again, take care, everyone. And I will see you real soon.